How to stop sharing call history between two iPhones. Here is how to stop doing so, quick and easy. Call logs showing up on both iPhones are linked with same Apple ID. The best way is to get rid of the Apple ID. Both devices using the different Apple ID can fix this issue, but if you cannot do that, then here is how to do it. First of all you have to do is open the settings app from your iPhone's home screen, then tap on your Apple ID or name at the top. Now, once done so, all you have to do is tap on the iCloud option available in there. Then in iCloud, tap on the See All option available there. Then once you tap on the See All, scroll down and tap on the Contacts option available from there. So since we are stopping the call history, so you can simply tap on the Contacts. Then if it is toggled on, then make sure to toggle off that switch. And tap on the Keep on this iPhone. And that is it. Now if this also does not work, then go back to the settings again, and once you are back to the settings, here all you have to do is tap on the general option available in there. Then once inside the general, all you have to do is tap on the Your Play and Continuity option available there. Then all you have to do is toggle off the hand off. It stops call continuity between devices. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.